going to show you how easy it is to change your headlights on your Hyundai Sonata. Okay, you'll see your headlight here. So first thing you want to do is pop that cap, twist it a quarter turn, it'll come off. Then you're going to climb down in and just pull that electrical connector straight back. That's what plugs into your lights. Okay, now you've got this little retaining clip, and I'm going to try to get a good view of this. Sneak my finger in there. So you kind of press down right there. Press and lift up. That's the secret. So you press and lift up, and it curls. That little end wraps around the metal tab there. So now I'm going to pull it back, and then the bulb will simply just come off. Just come right out. Maybe the fingers aren't so fat. Here we go. So, and then if you look in there too, you'll see there's kind of that little metal slot. So when you're looking at your bulb, it's going to go like that, and the hole where that tab is going to match up. So now all we have to do is put my new H7 bulb here in there. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing, just in reverse. So first I'm going to pull back the metal spring. I'm going to get my bulb seated in there. Make sure it's pretty well sitting where it's supposed to be. The tab is in the right spot. Okay. And then once it's seated, I'm going to take the metal arm, I'm going to swing it around, okay? And then I'm going to kind of come in from the top, push really hard, and then push down. Okay, you'll know you have it seated right when that little pin is seated right there. Now you just have to hook your, let me zoom out, and then what we'll do is we'll take our electrical connector and go right on the teeth. Okay, goes that. I'll take my cap and kind of spin it around until it sits in, and then give it a quarter turn, and that's it. There she is.